If your skin looks thin, wrinkled, and like crepey paper, this is not just aging, and most people are making it worse without realizing it. Crepey skin is a loose, thin, wrinkled skin you notice on your face or neck. It is caused by collagen loss, sun damage, and aging, and even worse with dehydration, fast weight loss, and poor lifestyle habits like smoking, too much alcohol, poor diet, etc. But the good news is you can improve it with the right routine. Now let's see the daytime routine. Start with a gentle, not stripping cleanser. If your cleanser leaves your skin feeling tight, it is already damaging your skin barrier. So always go for gentle cleansers that would strip off your skin natural oil the more. The next step is for you to apply a rich moisturizer on a slightly damp skin to help boost hydration. This is very key. So look for ingredients like ceramide to help repair your skin barrier, hyaluronic acid and glycerin to draw in moisture to your skin, shea butter for deep nourishment, and peptide to support collagen and firm your skin. So always look out for these ingredients when shopping for your moisturizer, okay? The next step is for you to apply a broad spectral sunscreen SPF 13 or higher. This is a non-negotiable because sun damage is one of the biggest causes of crepey skin. You can go for a mineral-based sunscreen. Now, before we see the night routine, I want to welcome you all to my channel. I am Adams Felician. Please subscribe for more skincare and fragrance tips. Let's see the night routine now. Use a low percentage of retinol once or twice a week. This helps to boost your collagen and improve your skin texture over time. Once your skin adjusts to it, you can increase the frequency or even the percentage gradually. Please do not rush your retinol. It should be a gradual process to avoid irritation. After applying retinol, wait for like a minute before you apply your moisturizer, okay? This is very key because your skin repair itself very well at night. Extra tips: use a gentle chemical exfoliant like lactic acid once a week to remove dead skin cells and improve skin renewal. Avoid harsh scrubs and products that will strip the skin more, making the crepey skin worse. Also stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle because your skin reflects what is happening inside your body. Finally, you need to be consistent with this routine for like 3 to 6 months. So it is not something that you just start like 1 month, you'll be expecting a visible result or a visible improvement. But if you have done it for like 3 to 6 months and your crepey skin is not improving or it is severe, kindly see a dermatologist. This is the day 3 of my skin rejuvenation series. Don't miss day 4 where I will show you the exact places to apply perfume for long lasting scent.